Good morning, guys. Hey, still broke down, and this video is going to be thrown in there kind of out of sequence because today's Memorial Day, and you know, we've had a lot of problems. Like I said, we're still broke down, still waiting on parts for the truck. Looks like it's a computer, but my problems are nothing compared to the problems that our people in the armed forces did. So I'm gonna fly my flags no matter what. Like I said, my problems ain't nothing compared to our veterans and the people still fighting. And I hope you're flying your flag also. Let's stop being divided, guys. We got to get this country moving. And until people sit down and talk, we ain't getting nothing going. So, on Memorial Day, I salute you all you veterans, all you people that are trying to make America great, no matter which side of the aisle you're from. Let's get her done. America's too great to just let it sit and rot.